Megafast. Experience the rush. Located in a top-secret Midwestern town, Megaman, the original superhero to the promotional products industry, springs into action when customers like you call.
Thank you for calling Megafast, home of Megaman. Yes? You fax it to us today, we can get it shipped tomorrow, you'll have them 2 days from now. Experience the rush.
With our new modern and well-organized facility, we are well-equipped to execute your orders at superhuman speed. Megaman handpicks his staff and team members, and not everyone makes the cut. Megafast constantly rewards their team members, resulting in less employee turnover and higher production efficiencies. We're a family-owned business with family values, and we promise your order will be produced and shipped Megafast. Many distributors ask Megafast, "Are you a new and innovative products company?"
No way!
Other distributors ask, "Are your prices the lowest?"
Not a chance!
So, if you aren't known for new and innovative products, and you say you're not the lowest priced, there's only one thing left, and that's service. So who's the fastest supplier on the promotional products planet?
We are! Megafast!
Hey, Megaman, how fast is Megafast? And how fast are you?
I'll let one of my distributors tell you how fast we are.
I've been in the promotional products business for over 26 years. We've had one particular experience where we called at 3:05 needing 210 can coolers for a special event, and to make a long story short, those can coolers were delivered by 4:30. We were able to pick them up and deliver them to our client. We found that if you need it fast, it's definitely Megafast.
Immediately upon receiving your faxed or emailed order, we confirm inventory and production availability, and then our order entry department enters your order at supersonic speed. Our art department takes over from there. They place your logo and artwork on the correct product template and immediately send you an art approval. Once we get your approval, your order is precisely and thoroughly filtered through our 11-point proofing station and then sent directly to our screen-making department.
We need this screen burned right now.
Right away, Megaman. The screen's burnt and ready for production, Megaman.
Great, thank you.
Megafast's multiple warehouses, large inventory selection, and central location in the Midwest allows for easy product ordering, efficient production, and you always get our fast and free rush service on every item, every day. Megafast's product selection is based on our mission of being fast and efficient. Therefore, we choose items that have little or no assembly and minimal handling. As your screen is being prepared, inventory is already on the move from one of our warehouses to its designated work center. From textile printing on our sports towels and spirit towels, to can coolers, to bike bottles and stadium cups, multiple orders are staged and prepared for quick and efficient production. From flyers to stainless steel mugs and tumblers, each machine operator is required to review your entire work order for content and accuracy. The screen printing process covers most items in our industry, but for those challenging and unusual shaped items, pad printing is utilized. Some items we pad print are our best-selling footballs and basketballs and our always popular Mega Clips. Some plastic items require a pre-treatment prior to being printed. Here at Megafast, the most efficient and fast way to pre-treat plastic items is called electro-treating. One of Megafast's busiest work centers is the ever-popular glassware and ceramic drinkware department. The printing process for glassware and ceramics requires a high-temperature 1200 degree Fahrenheit curing. For this process, we require a high-temperature decorating leer. Our specially formulated ceramic-based inks are actually fired into the item which is being printed, giving you a vibrant and permanent imprint. This slow firing process takes about 3 hours from the time your order is placed on the belt until it is completed and packaged on the other end. Once your order has been produced, it heads to our shipping and packing department, where it's carefully packed and loaded onto our exclusive carrier, Federal Express. Megafast's exclusive partnership with FedEx consistently gives us a 99.3% on-time delivery of all your orders. Also, when it comes to giving marketing tools to distributors like you, Megafast sets the standard. We consistently identify the top buying markets in the promotional products industry. Then we develop marketing tools such as our school and education, healthcare, and financial print and e-flyers, and put them in your hands. Distributors can also subscribe to our free Megafast Marketing Secrets area of our website. Simply subscribe right now by going to megafastline.com/secrets and you're in. You'll be receiving free marketing secrets on how to market and turbocharge your business. Plus, we give you, our subscriber, private backdoor exclusive superhero specials. When you choose Megafast, rest assured your order will be produced fast, correctly, and delivered on time. Distributors like you have nominated Megafast as a finalist to receive ASI's Distributor Choice Award for the drinkware category, and they've been nominated to receive PPAI's Supplier Star Award for several consecutive years. Remember this, Megafast has fast and free rush service on every item, every day. You owe it to yourself and to your business. Right now, let Megaman and Megafast make you the superhero to your customer. Megafast. Experience the rush.
Not a chance.
You forgot to say it. Okay, I need my artwork. My cape's stuck. Start again. This is gonna be in the trailers, isn't it? Yeah. We okay on that? Yeah. I'm talking to Priscilla from PPAI right now, October 12th, 2007, 2:15 p.m. Central Time. She's just notifying Megafast and Megaman that we are in the top 3 as a Supplier Star Award finalist again for 2007. Priscilla, thanks for calling. How much can I give you to like, kind of like fudge the numbers so they don't win again?
Hey, Josie, who's your daddy? Announcing our Supplier Store Award nomination for 2007. 1, 2, 3, rock!
Beautiful.
Nice. That's the funniest thing.
Do that one again. Don't go, you.
You are a pain in the butt. And how fast are you?
How's that? How was that? A little slower?
That's it.
Let's take a quick look at what other distributors like you have to say about MegaFast.
Hi, I'm Alan Lundy. I'm from Bloomington, Illinois, and I own And Especially Yours. Actually, we're in Bloomington, Chicago, and Boston. My original impression of MegaFast was that you were the company there to save somebody's butt when you had a deadline. And that's exactly how I used you the first time. But the quality was so good, the service was outstanding, the customer service phenomenal. You not only made a believer out of my client, you made a believer out of us. And now we look to MegaFast as one of our top 3 suppliers. Don't really look at whether you cost a little more or not. With the amount of service I get, it's very easy to sell that value to the client. So don't just look at MegaFast as the emergency out. They're a terrific supplier. They've got a great line. They deliver super fast, and the quality's top notch.
Thanks, Al.
My pleasure, Megaman.
Okay, this morning I called MegaFast. I needed an order of 25,000 cups. By the time we got the artwork to them, it was 2 o'clock. We had enough time to get 10,000 cups done this afternoon. I'm picking those up now. I'm running to the customer. They're going to have the other 15,000 for me tomorrow, and we're going to ship them out. Customer's done and taken care of. Everybody goes away happy.
I have used MegaFast for orders, especially for customers that have waited till the last minute to place orders, and MegaFast has come through each and every time. I've ordered the flyers, I've ordered the hairbrush, and a couple of other products, and you've done a great job on all of them.
Hi, I'm John Patone with Knockout Specialties in Plano, Texas, and we've used MegaFast for several reasons. Number one, they get their product out when they say they're going to. They do a fantastic job with marketing, helping us market to our customers, and their product is good, and they stand behind their product whenever we need their help.
Hi there, this is Laura Connor from Champion Promotions in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I just want to let everybody know that I've ordered some shot glasses from MegaFast that I needed in a rush time. Ordered them on the Thursday and received them on the Friday. Matter of fact, I didn't even realize it was from MegaFast until I opened up the package. I thought it was from somebody else. So just want to let everybody know MegaFast is great and they get your goods to you as quick as possible.
This is Layla from APP Hawaii. I stopped in today to say thank you so much for the wonderful service and the quality of products we've received over the past year. This is totally unrehearsed, and you are at the top of our list of favorite suppliers. Thank you.
My name is Randy Wilson with You Name a Customer Embroidery in Bryan, Texas. This last football season, one of my customers needed footballs, but we only had 8 days to turn it around. I called my normal supplier and they told me no way, they needed 10 to 14 days. Then I called MegaFast. They told me if I get the artwork in the next day, I could have it on the 7th day. So I got the artwork sent in, and was I surprised? They came in 3 days ahead of time. I got them to my customer. We threw him out the last football game, and everybody was happy. And it was a great success, and I'm sold on this company now.